So Penny's here, got a coffee on the go, as you can see there. And we've got a computer there set up, a soundbar and DVD-ROM and like USB hubs and stuff like that. And soundbar, and there's another speaker here if I switch it on. And AirPods, digital camera, more USBs, flatbed charger, stick your phone on it, more USBs, hard drive, earbuds, earphones, charging bank, another phone under there, contract phone. There's another phone under there as well, actually. So yeah, I got everything sorted. But I was just chilling, having a coffee. And as you can see, the floor's white. I've got some powder on the floor. Just got to vacuum up. But Penny's not long got up and she wants to go out. So we'll take Penny out. Come on, Penny. And the cat's meowing. Yes, sweetheart, you coming for some fuss? When Sarah died, the cat wouldn't come to me. But now she loves her fuss and does what she wants. And she was scared of Penny, but now she tells Penny what to do, don't you? Yes, you do. Good girl. Come on then. Good girl. She creates her food, didn't you, sweetheart? Penny wants to go out. Come on then, Penny. Come on then, baby. Come on, Penny. Come on, girl. Penny, come on. Good girl. She's made that okay. She fell down the steps the other day. She's getting old. She's 14 now. Come on, Penny. Penny. Come on, sweetheart. She's going on the garden. See how she's struggling with the back legs. She's fine, she's quite happy. Penny. Come on, sweetheart, not that way, come on. Good girl. Just should do something silly like fall off the wall. See how she's wandering on her back legs. Bless her. Let's take her on the garden. She doesn't like to go very far now because she can't walk very far. No, Penny. She'll be off through the bushes at next door's dog. Good girl. Come on, sweetheart, not in there. Good girl. And then she has a habit of walking along the wall. She likes to walk along the wall. But with her balance, she doesn't realise she's going to topple over the wall and fall off. No, Penny, not on the wall. She spent most of the day in bed. She didn't want to get up today. Good girl. No, Penny. Penny! Come on. Go on. Because you'll lose your balance and you'll fall off the wall. Come on then. Come on then, girl. Come on, Penny. Come on, sweetheart. I know, you're getting old now, aren't you? She loves being out. Go on then, Penny. No, she says she wants to wander around some more. Come on then. Come on, Penny. No, come on. Not on the wall, sweetheart. Come on. Look at you. Covered in grass again, ain't you? You silly. Good girl. Good girl. Ain't you? Hey, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You like a puss, don't you? You do. Good girl. Don't you? Good girl. Good girl. Come on then. Good girl. Come on then. Come on then. You're getting old now, aren't you, sweetheart? Come on. Good girl. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Oh no. Just struggling to sweetheart. Go on. Go on, you can have a lie down. Feed you in the bee. Go on. Good girl. Good girl. Go on. That's it. Good girl. Go on, sweetheart. Good girl. Come on then. Come on. Good girl. Come on then. Come on. Sarah's cat. Yes, you don't come out, do you? No, you don't. Good girl. Penny's coming. Yes, Penny's coming. Good girl, sweetheart. You stay in, don't you? You do. Come on then, Penny. Penny's coming. Yes, Penny's coming. Come on, Penny. Elsa, look. Come on, Ben. Good girl. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. That's a good girl. Go on. In you go. Good girl.